Erin! Welcome to my room! Sorry guys, I know, that was a horrible intro. Let me try again. What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a bit of a get unready with me, but also a video in which I try on a brand new mask from L'Oreal. This is the Pure Sugar Scrub. So if you're interested in seeing me get unready and trying on this mask here as a first impressions, make sure you keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Hit that button. It's somewhere down here. I promise it is. I did pick up this mask from Ulta not too long ago. And yes, I did try searching for this in Canada. I went to my local Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, Rexall, I went to Loblaws. Still can't find this mask in stores, but I'm sure it is on its way. As you guys may know, I love my L'Oreal masks. This is the Pure Clay mask that I am obsessed with. I use this very, very frequently, and so I thought, new mask? Maybe it'll be just as good. The back of the box says that it is a naturally derived blend of 3 pure sugars, which are paired with kiwi seeds, peppermint, and lemongrass oils. This light gel sugar scrub is truly kind to your skin. It also says the immediate results you're gonna see is that your skin feels purified and clean, dirt and oil and impurities are effectively removed, and dull skin is gently polished away. Dang! This is supposed to glide on easily and also rinse off easily. It will not dry out skin, and it's good for all skin types. And for anyone who is curious, I do have very sensitive skin. I have a little bit of rosacea here on my cheeks. I am acne prone and I'm oily. Sometimes combination, depends on the weather. I love how they put right on the box, do not ingest, because you know there's someone out there who's bound to just try tasting this product. So weird. Let's crack this box open. The packaging is really nice, I am telling you. Okay, so the jar is almost identical to my other mask jar here. You can see the kiwi seeds on the inside and the green color of this mask. You twist off the cap here. There is no protective layer, unfortunately. And it just honestly smells like sugar. It smells like the green Jolly Rancher, but not green apple. And hopefully you guys can see this without me tipping it over. That's what it looks like on the inside. Enough chit chat. Let's get this mask on my face. I do have a full face of makeup on right now, which I do need to take off. And to do so, I am going to use the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Makeup Melting Balm. Ugh, I always hate dipping my fingers in here. It's just so gross. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll notice that I've switched to posting every single day now, so 5 days a week. I do need weekends as a bit of a break, which is not really a break because I am filming straight through the weekend. But what do you think? Do you like me posting 5 days a week, or do you think I should do less videos? I don't know. I'm a bit torn. You tell me. Oh God, I hate going into my eyes. Okay. Oh. All right, I think I have an eyelash in my eye. I'll be right back. Okay, much better. I'm just going to take a makeup remover wipe now and just go back into my eyes to get rid of all of the other eye makeup. Posting 5 days a week has been a lot of work, but I've actually really been enjoying it. I feel like I can pump out more reviews, do more of your video requests. It just, I don't know, I think it suits me a little bit better. All right, so there I am with a complete bare face. There is nothing on here anymore. And hopefully you guys can see a bit of a difference with the amount of redness I normally have. I have been testing out this new serum that is supposed to help alleviate a lot of redness on one's face, and I think it has been working wonders on my skin. So stay tuned for a review coming up in the next, I'd say 2 to 3 weeks. I want to make sure I give this a full 5 weeks worth of wear before I give you any thoughts. Alrighty, so it says to take a small amount of this product and smooth it all over your face with dry fingers, which is exactly what I have. I'm gonna dip into the jar, take some out on my middle finger here, and ooh, it is goopy. Maybe take a little bit more, you know, just cause. I don't want to say it feels like sludge, it doesn't, but it is a little bit of a thicker sort of gel almost. I'm just gonna spread this all over my face first, just like that. What I can tell you is that this mask smells really good. And I don't know, it also feels a little bit warm as I put it on my face. I don't know, it's kind of weird. But I'm gonna go wet my fingers now, come back and massage this in. Okay, much better. Ooh. It definitely feels very, very gentle. Like the sugar is just so refined. It doesn't feel harsh. One of the exfoliators I do really enjoy using is from Ole Henriksen or Einriksen. It is the walnut scrub, I think it's called, and that you can definitely feel the roughness with that one, but of course you control the amount of exfoliation and the roughness of the product, like whether you really go in deep with your fingers or if you're just a lot more gentle.
Just can't do it, Captain. I do it have the power.
You definitely don't want to rub too hard. You want to let the ingredients really do all of the work for you. I wonder how this would work with my Clairsonic. Let me zoom you in a little bit closer so you guys can see what this looks like. And there we go. So you can just see it sitting on my skin. It hasn't made me look more red than what I normally look like. It just looks like a clean, simple mask. I'm gonna go rinse this off with some warm water and I will be right back. Here I am with a freshly washed face, and as promised, this product did rinse off very, very easily. I had no issues. I just kept my eyes shut tight because I didn't want any of the sugar getting in there. My skin definitely feels soft. It feels very clean looking, and I noticed that it did scrub away some of the dead skin that I had on the bridge of my nose over here. I am gonna have to play around with this exfoliator a little bit more, especially on the claim that your pores will be a little more tighter with frequent use. As of right now, my pores look like they've always looked. Overall, this scrub feels very pleasant. It was easy to use. It made my skin feel really nice and clean. Absolutely zero complaints. If you're looking to try a new exfoliator, I think this one is worth giving a shot. I mean, it's affordable in price and it seems to have done what it claims to do. As of right now, I'm giving this exfoliator a thumbs up. It's working really well. I'm gonna end the video right here because I do have to finish off my nighttime routine and get my skincare on before my skin dries out a little too much. Let me know in the comment section below if you've had a chance to try out this exfoliator or if you have another favorite exfoliator that you use. Before you leave, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also connect with me on all of my social media. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and I'm gonna link everything for you in the description box below. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you're having an awesome day no matter where you are in the world. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.